Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kisina here. So hari ni kita akan unbox a bag that I received from the US and the brand name is 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕. I harap I pronounce betul sebab I ada masalah pronunciation. But 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕. Dia ada website dia, so I'm gonna put it a screenshot of their website kat sini or a screen record. So firstly when they reached out to me, I never heard about their brand before, and then like when I went to the website, I'm like, cantik juga gambar-gambar, cantik juga bag-bag ni. So I said okay lah, why not. And then I ada nampak this one bag yang I macam, ooh, I want that bag sebab I tak ada bag tu. So they just sent me semalam sampai diorang hantar macam laju gila. Like dia punya postage laju gila. I rasa I confirm dengan dia like within last week, and then hari ni dah sampai. I tak sabar sebab bag dia warna biru. Excited nak aku. Tada! Okay, nampak tak? 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕. Okay, so this is otak dia. Weh, cantik weh. Rasa kelas weh. Ada arrow dekat sini. So, I'm just gonna tak macam I macam tak tahu nak warna pink ataupun biru. But lepas tu at the end I ambil warna biru. So kat sini dia punya tulisan 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕 New York. No, aku pun tak pernah pergi New York. Designer handbags made in Italy. Luxury leather. Each 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕 handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Tapi memang kalau korang pergi TikTok ke, korang pergi YouTube ke, ramai macam I rasa TikTok lagi ramai lah. TikTok lagi ramai orang buat unboxing brand ni. So korang boleh tengok and macam terjebak dengan membeli juga. So macam ni. Okay, aku excited. Okay, I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna put it here. Dia bubble wrap sebab dia sangat menyanyi. Korang boleh nampak kan biru dia? Nampak tak biru dia? Excited eh? Okay, let me just cut this. Okay, tada! Ni first time I dapat bag 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕. This is my first time. Aku tak tahu nak cakap, I ada pakai like a lot of designer bag, but I never tried 𝒕𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕 before. Cuma tak ada kat Malaysia lagi. Like you have to order it from US, I think, ataupun ada personal shopper, not sure about that. But personally, I would order through their website because it's much more trusted. Okay, so jom kita buka. Takut. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dia ada banyak-banyak size. Dia ada 6 inch which is like very small, 9 inch, 11 inch dan sebagainya. But I was confused whether I wanted to take the 11 inch or the 9 inch or the 6 inch. But then like when I think about it, my body size is a bit big. So if I wear the 6 inch, it's gonna be like, you know, tiba kau pakai kecil betul. I wanted to take the 11 inch because it would fit my iPad, but then it wouldn't be cute because like sekarang ni trend, people use small bags, you know. Aku dah nampak. Kejap. Oh, okay. Also, I ambil the 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕 9-inch bag. Tak silap. Okay, this is quite okay lah for the size. I thought it's gonna be a bit like smaller, like more smaller. But I like the size. This is my first impression for it. Okay, so this is the bag. Cantik lah. Okay, so this is how you open it. Oh my god. Memang, oh my god, look at that. Dalam dia pun warna biru. One of the reason I accepted this bag is because I like to wear sling bags. Dia ada je option untuk pegang macam ni, but for a teenager like me, I prefer sling bags. And then like there's a lot of options for sling bags, including this. Okay, so dia punya ni magnet. So basically I can just tutup macam ni without putting this like that, but it won't look neat lah, you know. Okay. The size kat dalam ni macam okay though. Like I thought it okay though. Okay lah. So there is zip kat sini, so you can put your cards, or for me I tend to vlog. I can put my camera battery inside or my SD card. Yeah. And then I think I can fit my purse. I thought I couldn't fit my purse because I'm using a big size purse like this one. I thought I couldn't. Okay. Muat lah. Look at that. I dah risau dah. I really like the insides. Like, I tak tahu macam nak tunjuk. Can you see? Macam velvet-ish vibe. I don't know how to say it, but cantik. Like, tak payah nak banyak-banyak compartment, you know. Like, some girls really like banyak compartment to put, like, you know, stuff. But I'm the type of girl that I just put everything inside, you know. Then I akan like treasure hunt to find my stuff inside, you know. There's another zip at the back. Ish, dalam juga. Oh my god, boleh muat my tangan. Okay, so jom kita try the sling strap. Oh, macam ni je lah guys. So nanti ni macam nampak serabut sebab ada benda ni. Let me open this for you all. Tag. So that's how it looks like. And then like dia punya detailing tu, like you know diorang macam betul-betul kisah. Sebab let me show you. I don't know if you can see it or not. Kat sini, and then dekat this side pun ada. Can you see? Ni pun ada. Like, okay, nampak kan? Like, it's very detailed, I could say. Like, that's a good thing. Kau. Macam tu. And then this side. Okay, jom kita pakai. You can adjust dia punya ni juga. Okay, kat bawah ni ada stud untuk bag tak kotor. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my unboxing and my first impression video towards Teddy Blake's bag. This is 𝒂𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒕 turquoise 9-inch. So yeah, bye bye.